Yeah, guys, look at that. So you see that, guys, water for days. You know why here down a river? I say, guys, if anybody ever go down a river, the power where the water come with, it lit your way physics to the extent of the power where the water come with, guys. I don't know normal. I don't know normal, me I tell you guys, I don't know normal. They say water like trouble, water like nothing. Remember me I tell you guys. Say water like nothing, guys, water. Say me I gonna take a little tour up on the road there. You know, guys, you sure know which part the water or up at the top there to stay. We want to get the road to cut, but we don't get no tractor yet. But me I tell you, water like foolishness. As soon as we get the tractor to cut the road, then we are going to cut one drainage system where the water, turn off the water from here, so from right here, so guys, because the water mash up the yard. So one turn it around for the next side. Yeah, man, water, guys, water. Right in a babe skeleton bed, the water run, guys. We have to remove the skeleton them from this, so else water go match them up. Water like trouble, guys. Stick and stay, guys. Watch what go on. So guys, right here, so the skeleton bed here, so right here, so the water walk, guys, and the water run from right at the skeleton bed here straight down to the river bed, to the river, guys. Yeah, as you can see, the water mash up the whole of the skeleton them, guys. Yeah, man. So this is where the water channel from, guys. You channel from up straight up the top, and it going right through the coal bed here, straight down to the river, guys. You see how it feel a road right through the coal bed. Yeah, guys. So this is down a river now, guys. The rain a fall whole week, whole day, whole night, guys. So just imagine the amount of water we have pitched down like that, guys. Just imagine. So guys, we're going to take a tour up the road now, guys. So right up here is where the water is coming down. As you can see, this is where the road is. So right here is where we want to get the tractor to cut the road. So when the tractor cut the road now, we're going to cut a channel. Instead of the water coming down this side, then we're going to cut a channel so we can channel the water in a different direction, so that's it, no mash up in the yard, guys. Yeah, so this is the road. Yeah, so we want to get a tractor. We are trying to reach the tractor, but we know get none as yet to cut the road. So as soon as we cut the road now, then we'll cut a channel. So as you can see, the whole of the road area here full up of beer water, guys. Yeah, so I'm taking you right around to where the water run straight down to the river. Yeah, you see it? To see the amount of water, guys. There's a lot of rain has been falling from whole week, guys, whole day, whole night. Yeah, so just stick and stay, guys. Watch what go on. Just remember, you know, guys, like, comment, share and subscribe, guys. That is it.